today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly log into Google Drive using your Google account. Whether you're accessing your documents, photos, or any stored files, Google Drive is the gateway to accessing your most important digital assets from anywhere in the world. Let's dive into it. First, open either your web browser or your Google app and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not automatically signed in, no worries. This is where we start our journey. Right on the page, you should see a prompt asking you to log in. Here, select the account you'll be using. Perhaps it's an account you frequently use that's been signed out, or maybe you want to opt for a completely different one. Regardless, selecting your desired account is the first key step in gaining access. Once you've chosen your preferred account, the next thing you need to do is enter your password. Remember, when typing in your password, it's a good practice to verify its accuracy to avoid any login errors. Always double check that the caps lock on your keyboard is turned off unless your password contains capital letters. If you ever have trouble remembering your password, consider using a reputable password manager to keep track of it securely. Now, with your password in place, you're ready to click that glossy Login button. As you click, the server verifies your credentials, confirming whether you're the correct person trying to access the account. In just a second or two, you'll be seamlessly logged into Google Drive. And once you're in, well, that's it, you're done. You will see your dashboard with all your folders and files neatly organized as you left them. This simple and effective process ensures you can access your Google Drive at a moment's notice, allowing for an efficient and productive management of your digital resources. Google Drive is your cloud-based companion, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. If you're accessing this from a shared or public computer, remember to log out when you're finished for your privacy and security. We've now covered all the necessary steps to log into Google Drive effortlessly. By following these straightforward guidelines, you secure easy access to your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Happy navigating through your Google Drive and enjoy the convenient access it offers you every single day. Feel free to leave any comments or ask questions below if you're encountering issues or just want to share your experience using Google Drive. Until next time, stay organized and connected.